Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Our Bantu sister is heading to South Africa. So, any Jamaicans out in South Africa, you watch this video, link up with Jam Tours because, you know, our Jamaican sister want to meet you. You know what I mean? She'll be in Johannesburg. Yeah, Ava, morning. You have my power bank in your bag, yes, right? I do. Yeah, take it out before you forget it. Yeah, so you feel going to another African country?
Very excited.
Very excited, and South Africa is a very exciting place, and it's the biblical place, and a lot of biblical stories in South Africa, and that's the reason why I'm excited. And that will be my next place, Cape Town. I'm coming. So if you're in Johannesburg as a Jamaican, I know a lot of Jamaican in South Africa, not true?
No man.
Yeah, a lot of Jamaican in South Africa. So hopefully them link up, comment, so we can make the connection, and we can invite you over to come to actually, you know what I mean, Kenya. All right, family, let's go. parking.
Nairobi, Johannesburg, International Terminal A.
Terminal A.
That one, Terminal A.
Terminal A. Oh no, you're gonna look and see. Just look back there. We're gonna burn when it's got a parking lot. Park and they will look for it. Yeah, fam, we just get to know this airport. So it's an experience that we really want. As a Diaspora. General parking.
Allow you to drop off people at Terminal A. They must have that.
Terminal A is just right there, so 1A.
So you just
But you have to park.
come out like car.
Yeah, but I'm sure maybe you don't want to school the car that but I don't know, maybe, you know.
It's out.
Yeah, so we're in the parking lot now, parking lot.
So
Yeah, family, so it's the first time Jam Tours is coming to the airport, taking my Jamaican sister to the airport. So when you reach at the JK International Airport, you have to actually come out and go to that side. So you go to that side, and then I'll have to drive this side, and then meet them back on that side, family. So that's just the rules when you get to JK High Hay. Alright, family, so we're here and we take the toll from Westlands, and I paid 323, come straight up. I guess when I'm going back I'll have to show you guys the highway, but it was a great experience. It was quick and fast and I really enjoyed it. So let's go. Yeah, family, so I know actually on the other side, you know, waiting for my Jamaican sister and my Jamaican brother. So they just go through the checkpoint there and then come back, meet me in the car, and then we go inside the airport. Yeah, family, so we're under the parking lot. Our brother from Reggae Flavors, One Love Africa. Check out his channel.
One Love Africa, no Reggae Flavors.
Reggae Flavors is the restaurant.
Yeah,
Oh, that was on YouTube too?
yes. One,
Yeah.
Different branding now.
Different branding, run with Reggae Flavors.
Different branding.
Yeah, family, so we're actually entering now. We're looking for Terminal A. Maybe Abba will be using the new terminal. So, you know, family, let's go. Let's go, family, let's go. No, I think it's... No, man, you can knock somebody out here. Yeah, family, so let's go. Terminal A. Hey. Hey. So see, you have A1, 1A up top there. Very nice.
Oh, the airport.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice. Like the airport?
Yeah.
It's good enough. When I came here, the roads were nice and Pennsylvania.
Yeah, family. So we're looking for Terminal A at the JKIA. So let's go. Yeah, family. So we actually heading to 1A to actually heading to 1A to actually send off our Jamaican sister to South Africa, the holy place, the southern part of Africa. It's holy. It's where Jah live and where Jah reside. So, But those are people who work with the airport, my youth. You see those people? This is the JKIA. So, Terminal 1A, all the way up there. Our Jamaican sister flight is that one. Equity Bank A. Oh, yeah, to go straight. Yeah, family. So, to be on the safe side, when you come to the airport, you just park at the parking lot, wait for your people. You know, you might have to pay a little change, but it's fine. I don't have to be, you know, people are harassing you. Yeah? Yeah, man. Jam Tours is here for you when you're coming to Kenya. Just link up with Jam Tours. We are here. 1A departure. So we are here. We are here. Right here, Ricardo. They just come off of the plane.
Yeah.
And they want an Uber. When they reach us, they request it, and then them pick them. That's all.
So, yeah.
And go just to go pick them.
When I was coming here,
Yeah.
Uber was actually outside the airport.
Outside waiting.
Yeah, as I came outside, Uber was out there waiting.
Yeah.
Different Uber.
Yeah. But most of the time now, if you're like a new person, the police have them want to terrorize you and want to start. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you're like a regular Uber, you know, maybe you pay your dues. So you know what I mean? Yeah.
Some Uber staying in contract with the airport.
Yeah. So them can actually stay. You pay a fee and stuff.
Let's walk
man. Yeah, man. So family, we're there. I send off our Jamaican sister, and actually, you know what I mean, South Africa is the thing. Cape Town is my thing. We will be there in Cape Town. You know, soon and very soon we'll be there, family. So, like, share, and comment on this video, and remember to subscribe to One Love Africa. You know what I mean? Support the channel because we're there. I show you know the real thing, uncut. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? You guys can actually inspired to forward a Kenya. You know what I say? So, Jam Tours Africa and One Love Africa. Like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you come in. Let us know when you want us to pick you from the airport. Just let us know. So, let's go. We are out. One love. God bless. We are out. Jamaica. One Love Africa. Remember to subscribe. Remember that. So we're heading to the parking lot to leave out and cut out and head to Jamrock to